This is the Max Lens Mod 2, which is designed for GoPro Hero 12. So this gives your camera 177 degree 4K. So let's take a look inside. GoPro accessories and cameras are always very, very well packaged. So it actually comes with a little cleaning cloth too. It's got GoPro written in the corner there. On the bottom there. That's quite nice, isn't it? And then on the front it says Max Lens Mod 2.0, GoPro branding on the side. Now I like to keep the front cover on when I'm applying it to keep the lens safe, because the lens does protrude slightly and you want to make sure you don't really touch that with anything as much as possible to avoid it getting scratched. This is how you change it on your GoPro. You have to grab hold of it and then try and lift it away at the same time as you rotate. And then you can remove this front protective lens from your GoPro. Then you get your Max Lens Mod 2.0. And if you see here, it's got two indentations around this ring. You line those up with the front here. And then when it's on, you just rotate it round. So when you're ready to go, you just remove that there and then turn on your camera. Then you may notice it's just a big ring. Obviously that's not what you need. That's not ideal. So you're going to swipe from the top, hit the Setup Max Lens Mod, and then drag this down to Max Lens 2.0. And there you go. So this is the way to get the widest possible field of view in the GoPro Hero 12. But this is essentially like having half a 360 camera. So the Max Lens Mod 2 allows you to shoot in that really wide field of view with 4K horizon leveling. So it's got horizon lock, but without cropping in a lot. So if you want to have horizon lock in your camera without this lens on, yes, you can do it at 5.3K, but it's a very narrow lens because it has to crop in on the sensor. So you don't get the full field of view like you do with this one.